Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10, powered by Berger Paints.
Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news right now. Amrinder Singh is launching a political party and he's most likely to go into a tie-up with the BJP. This is just coming in. He has said the battle for Punjab's future is on. I will soon announce the launch of my own political party to serve the interests of Punjab and its people, including our farmers who've been fighting for their survival for over a year, indicating that there's some good news for the farmers around the corner. He's gone on to say, and this is big, I am hopeful of a seat arrangement with the BJP in the 2022 Punjab Assembly elections if the farmers' protest is resolved in the farmers' interest. If the farmers' protest is resolved in the farmers' interest, I'm also looking at an alliance with like-minded parties like the breakaway Akali groups, particularly Dhimsa and Brahmpura factions. I will not rest, Amrinder Singh says, till I can secure the future of my people and my state. And Punjab needs political stability and protection from internal and external threats. I promise my people I will do what it takes to ensure that peace and security, which is today at stake. So Amrinder Singh is going into a tie-up with the BJP and launching his political party very soon. Ramneek Mann is live with us. This is big breaking news, Ramneek. Changes the political equation in Punjab. And it all obviously means that the BJP is likely to announce something big on the farmers' front in the near future. And that's going to lead to the formal announcement of an alliance. Who else could come in the alliance and what impact will this have?
Yes, who else could come into the alliance is people who are disgruntled with the way the functioning of the Congress party, people who would be denied ticket in time to come from Congress, from Akali Dal, and others who have a good vote bank, who have a good vote appeal, who've got a good base amongst the people, would definitely come aboard and join hands with Captain Amrinder Singh for a progressive Punjab, for a protected Punjab, for a Punjab which focuses on people-centric policies, for a Punjab which focuses on the Panth issues, apart from the very, very important issue of how the Kisan or the farmers' agitation will be dealt with. See, I personally have believed, and I have had this thought in my mind, that if this has to be resolved, somebody who's favorable to the central dispensation should get the credit for it. It cannot go to Rakesh Shikait. The credit cannot go to somebody like Yogendra Yadav. The credit has to go to somebody who is in line or who's in tune with the center. And Captain Amrinder Singh fits the slot.
No,
absolutely fits the slot.
So could it be, I mean, could it be such, and Abhishek is joining us, our senior executive editor. Abhishek, could it be such that the BJP makes a big announcement on the farmers' front soon, follows it up with a tie-up with Amrinder and other breakaway Akali factions, and the Akalis also come in? Because the real sticking issue between all of them had been the farmers' issue. If that is resolved, could it be a super coalition then? Okay, Abhishek, I lost the line with Abhishek. We'll be joined by the BJP Shazia Elmi in a minute. Also, I mean, this is big breaking news story. Amrinder Singh saying he's going to have a tie-up with the BJP. And he expects that if there's a proper resolution to the farmers' issue, then that tie-up can happen. And it could also include other breakaway Akali groups. I know she was not prepared to come in on this debate, but Shazia is with us anyway live. Shazia, you must have seen the breaking story. Okay, we haven't got her patched in yet. Big breaking news story, viewers. Absolutely sensational political development. I personally have been anticipating it for some time, but here it comes. Amrinder Singh is going to be tying up with the BJP soon. That's what he says. We also have the Congress, Kamru Chaudhary, with us. Shazia is with us. Shazia is with us. Kamru Chaudhary is with us. Ramnik Maan is with us. Big story coming in today. Amrinder BJP tie-up. Have you seen the statement, Shazia? It just broke. It just broke. Did you see the statement, Shazia? I know I'm taking you off track from the Shazia. Amrinder Singh just tweeted. And he says, I'm hopeful of a seat arrangement with the BJP in the 2022 Punjab Assembly elections. What do you think? Okay, she's not through yet. Okay, Kamru. Kamru, your party is breaking apart. Navjot is setting terms to Sonia. This tie-up will change things.
Which party will break up and which party will join up, time will tell. But Arnab, one thing has become clear if Amrinder ji has tweeted, though I have not seen whatever he has tweeted, that the Navjot Sidhu and the rest of the party with Harish Rawat and Channi and our own leaders from the AICC, they have been proved right. Because Captain has all along had a secret understanding with the BJP to break the Congress, break away from the Congress. Now it has been proved beyond any doubt that...
Breaking news coming in also, Channi has offered to resign. Breaking news also coming in, Mr. Kamru Chaudhary. Our sources are telling us that Channi has challenged Sidhu. Channi has challenged Sidhu to be Chief Minister for 2 months, if he can. He's offered to resign. He has said Sidhu can become Chief Minister and show his performance. Harish Rawat was also there when this happened. And Sidhu has confronted Channi. Channi has offered to resign. Amrinder Singh is going to be joining hands with the BJP. Resolution to farmers' issue is around the corner. And once that happens, the formal tie-up. Shazia, can you hear me now? Big news. Okay, we don't have Shazia yet. Okay, Aishwarya is on the phone. Aishwarya, what are you hearing?
Well, no, we are being clearly told that after the announcement, now Captain could also announce within the next 24 hours that he is not only starting his own political party, he is going to do a post-poll alliance with the BJP, and he's not going to name the BJP, but he is going to use the word pro-nationalist parties, pro-national parties. So what he's terming...
No, he's already named the BJP in his tweet. He's gone a step further. He has said, I'm hopeful of an alliance with the BJP.
Yes, tomorrow's press release, what we have in our hand, and we are just going to get it over to you or not within the next few minutes. In the press release, he is not mentioning the BJP. He says that with pro-nationalist powers, I am making this political party so that I can ally with the pro-nationalist powers. He also goes ahead and says that the Congress party in the present leadership in the state of Punjab has taken certain decisions which are not in favor of not only of for the state of Punjab but also for India. So he's terming it, he's coining it to this extent.
Yeah, okay, Shazia is through with us. Shazia, is the deal already done? Because Amrinder sort of gives the game away when he says, I will tie up with the BJP if the farmers' issue is resolved in the farmers' interest. Which means you're going to resolve it. Let him take the credit. Let him take the credit.
The fact of the matter is...
Yeah.
So I will neither confirm nor deny anything of the kind. The fact of the matter is that he met with our leaders, and also the fact is that he is extremely upset with the way he's been treated. And yes, he has been very concerned about issues of national security. He's been very concerned about the way there people like Sidhu have been promoted in the party and the way he's been treated particularly. So, and that he's had a decent working relationship with the Prime Minister.
Yeah, Abhishek Sudhir of the Samajwadi Party, supporting the Samajwadi Party is with us also.
My party...
No, but you know, you see it's getting resolved, and this entire resolution could actually, Abhishek, could end up working on, you know, for the BJP. Can you hear me, Abhishek? Because what's happening is, Kamru, Abhishek, all looking very stunned at this breaking news development. Kamru, you know, your party just...
We all know what was cooking.
what was cooking?
No, what was cooking, we all knew about it. All this farm, Allah Bulla about the farm bills and all these things. If now Captain is successful in bringing up, withdrawing the farm bills by the BJP, then who is got there to respond to the people of India?
No,
Is the
you
Bharatiya
don't, you
Janata
mean you
Party
don't want a
there to
resolution?
respond?
No,
Why
I'm
did they
sorry.
withdraw it for
I'm
the
sorry,
last
but
1
you've been
year?
asking for a resolution, and Amrinder Singh is hinting at a resolution
Of
to the farmers'
course.
protest. You seem
Of
disappointed
course,
that there will
the
be a resolution.
has to be there.
No, so-
resolution has to be there.
So if there's a
But
resolution-
सत्ता का लालच में नहीं, अर्नब जी।
No, if there's a
सत्ता का
resolution
लालच
and the
में ये देश
resolution
नहीं
is
चलता है। ये
the
देश
resolution
चलता
is
है
because of the
लोगों
efforts
का
of Amrinder
हित
Singh,
में।
what's wrong with that? Shazia, if he's talking of a resolution,
No.
if the resolution is because of the
Amrinder ji has
joint
got
efforts of
nothing to do
Amrinder
with the
Singh with the
farm
government,
bills.
what's the problem with
He's
that?
an 80-year-old man who wanted to hobnob with the
Yeah, there is no
BJP.
problem whatsoever.
He failed
One and two,
miserably.
I would like to
Congress
tell the
party saw through
Samajwadi
his
Party
game plan
leader
and
that
changed
you
the
wanted
chief ministership.
wanted an
Okay, is Abhishek
Andolan for
there?
the sake of Andolan
Is Abhishek
for
there?
politics,
Patch.
and the fact of and which was totally political. Now there are a lot of people do respect Captain. And I'm not saying that there is a deal
Abhishek on
on
the
or
right.
not on.
Thank you.
But we did not ask the leadership. We did not ask the leadership of the Congress Party to humiliate Captain. Did we? We did not ask the leadership of the Congress Party to make a big mess out of choosing the person who's a Punjab face. Or who will be the captain? We did not ask Congress to,
Shazia
or
madam,
Navjot Singh Sidhu
I respect you.
have
I, of course,
kind of a
understand
rebellion
how
in the
you were
ranks.
humiliated
So
out
do
of
not
the
put it
Aam
on
Aadmi
us.
Party. We
Do
all
not put it
remember
on
that.
us.
Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Congress Party is on a
Yeah, so that has nothing to do with it, and I'm
all
very
those
happy that I
people
did.
who were there
That I'm
thought
very
कि ये
happy. It's
Congress
nothing to do
Party
with me.
अपना बपौती
The very
है.
fact that
They
you're
have
making
all
personal
been shown
jibes
the
just
door.
shows that you are exposed. No. The very fact
No,
that you're
it is
making
not
personal
nothing to
jibes
personal jibe.
means
It's a
that I'm
part and
making a
parcel of
good
the political
analytical
spectrum
point.
of India.
And the fact is, no,
Shazia
it
ji,
is a
I
personal
respect
point.
you
It is a
very
personal
much,
point.
but these are all political
It is.
spectrum of India. आज इसका घर
Yeah,
में कल
but you-
उसका घर में. But
So
it is the
I-
Congress Party which is carrying on the idea of India so long, and it will fight for the idea of
that
India.
way I can start off with
No matter
Samajwadi
whoever
Party and
comes
says कौन
challenges
किसके
the
घर
Congress
में.
Party,
So
it's the
let me
people
not
of the
even go
country will
there.
decide
Let me not
the
even go
future
there
of the-
because you've
what will happen to
been
India.
found out that
And
there
let the
is
people
a
of Punjab
political
decide.
movement
A
underway,
captain cannot
and
come
that there has
overnight
been
and
no
say,
condemnation
okay,
of the
BJP party
ugly
दूध
and
का धुला
heinous
है,
murder.
आप
Can I have
इसको support
Abhishek,
And
sir?
all the
They have to
talk,
first
all
answer
the
for
talk of the
700
Mastercard
odd
of Congress
farmers
Party,
who lost their
which is a
lives
Dalit card,
sitting on
all is
Can I have
on
the-
strike.
can I have them on air?
sitting
Thank
on
you.
strike at the
What has
Okay,
been done?
Ramnik,
What has been done?
700
Ramnik, I
people.
think the breaking tonight is
You have nothing
the
to
breaking
say.
tonight
You
is
have
that there is a
nothing to say.
the breaking tonight is that there is a super alliance that's going to emerge, and I must take some credit. This is what I have said a few weeks back, Ramnik. Sorry, I have to take some credit here. I did say there's going to be a
Yes, you
super
did. Yes,
alliance.
you did.
I said there
Yes.
will be a resolution. I said
did.
Amrinder will be given
Yes, you
a
did.
credit for the resolution, and then after that, Amrinder will tie up with an independent party, and then all the smaller breakaway groups are likely to come in. The only part of the puzzle which remains from what I prophesied,
Yes, you did.
I have predicted a coming together once again of the Akalis and the BJP. I think that's also going to happen. Ramnik, are we moving in that direction? So the Congress on one side and the super alliance on the other.
It is only natural for. It is only, yes, it's going to be Congress on one side and a super alliance on the other side. Absolutely, spot on. It is only natural for nationalist people, for pro-nation parties and people or leaders who are inclined to protect the national interest to come together for the sake of and the interests of Punjab, for the interests of progress of Punjab, the protection of Punjab and protection on stability of this country at large. So I think this is a natural alliance. There is nothing unnatural about it. Now the problem will begin when a lot of disgruntled Akali leaders will start to come into this grand alliance. That is when the Akali leadership will get very jittery and they will want to come back to the fold of the NDA and quit their alliance with the BSP. Let's see how it unfolds. But this is the starting of the election of Punjab, and what a start it is, Arnab. What a magnificent start it is. It is absolute spot on the way you had predicted it. It is really on that line. We really have to see how Akalis will be able to keep their neck and their nose above the water because the situation which is going to emerge in days and months to come, especially in the light when you say that Channi has offered to resign, this is going to be very interesting because Sherry on top always wanted to be on the top. I don't think he's going to be able to manage things and take Congress into a victory. I think Congress has a habit of snatching defeat from the hands of victory.
Absolutely. I mean, this is complete shift, completely unexpected move. You see, Abhishek, this is a very interesting development today. You back the farmers' protest. The Maoists came in.
Yeah.
Allow me to come. The Maoists came in. We told you to not support them. You didn't listen. The whole lot of Armed Naxals came in. The opportunists came in. We told you. You didn't listen.
Yeah.
Then the Khalistanis came in. We told you. You didn't listen. Then the killings started. The attacks started. You didn't listen. Then the Greta Thunbergs came in. You didn't listen. Rihanna came in. You didn't listen. Right? The violence continued. It intensified. The National Capital Region was held into some kind of ransom. You didn't listen. Sidhu broke away. You didn't listen. 1 minute. Sidhu broke away. You didn't listen. In what Ticket justified, your favorite Ticket, he said, you know, the lynchings which happened in Lakhimpur after the car ran over the people, there were lynchings. You said it was okay. You didn't listen. Then there was a lynching which happened in Sonepat. A person was mutilated, his hand was chopped off, his body was hung, you know, even as he was praying for his head to be cut off so he could be spared, the butchery of his last moments. You didn't listen. Things went out of hand, right? You continued, right? Now, the breaking news right now is Channi and Sidhu are fighting once again. There's a super alliance, and it appears there's going to be a resolution on the farmers' issue as well. A resolution happens, super alliance picks up in Punjab. What are you going to continue to crib about, Abhishek? It's a big development today. Maybe you should tell Shazia that, okay, the BJP really... No. You don't want a resolution to the farmers' issue? You don't want a resolution to the farmers' issue? You should be happy.
Look,
Amrinder is hinting at a resolution.
No,
you don't. You want to keep the pot simmering?
You said I don't listen, I listen to you, now you must listen to me.
It is the BJP...
Yeah. So, look, it's just a simple point, Mr. Goswami. How are you going to resolve the farmers' issue? The farmers want the laws withdrawn. Is the union government ready to withdraw the farm laws? I don't think they're ready to withdraw the farm laws. Yeah, anything less than withdrawing the farm laws, BJP has no chance in Punjab. It is complete pandemonium in Punjab, or pandemonium if you will. So, pun intended. So I don't see how the BJP has any chance in Punjab. They have absolutely no chance.
No. One minute. Who's responding, Shazia or Ramneek? Ramneek.
No.
Ramneek. No, who's going? Shazia goes first. He referred to the BJP. He referred to the BJP. Shazia goes first, therefore.
I'm going only. So, my dear friend, you're not aware of the facts. The fact of the matter is that one of the 3 laws is already implemented, which is the contract farming law. So, and we also know that all the laws that are in place have been very much the laws that are also for the farmer, and they regulate the market and make life better for the farmers and also increase the options for the farmers.
You're not going to get one vote in Punjab if you don't withdraw these laws, madam.
Will be exposed. No, that is according to you, my dear friend. That's according to you, and which is all again bunkum, because we know how powerful you are.
Why did the Akalis walk out of the alliance? Why did Harsimrat Kaur Badal resign?
And the second fact, the second fact, the second thing that I want to remind you of,
why did the Badals walk out of the alliance? They knew they knew the BJP, they would get wiped
because
out.
You want mayhem.
They knew they would get wiped out.
You believe in pandemonium. You believe in mayhem. You believe in killings.
The only beneficiary from all of this is the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party is the biggest beneficiary. Arvind Kejriwal is having a little chuckle to himself.
You want the forces to destabilize India. You want
the Congress and the BJP have handed the election to Mr. Kejriwal
with the lives of ordinary Indians and mislead the farmers. That's what you want to do, my dear friend.
Madam,
which is what you're doing. And that is the only hope.
No, we're also hearing that.
And it will not happen.
We're also hearing right now, big breaking here right now, that the captain's first big political rally is likely to be with Prime Minister Modi, and its location is going to be Patiala. You know, Ramnik, it's completely changing. It is first big political rally post all this will be with the Prime Minister in Patiala. So farmers' issue gets resolved, and the Captain and Prime Minister lead a political rally. Everything's going to change.
Arnab, this is completely out of the syllabus for the Congress and the other parties. I must tell you this. You will see wickets fall like dominoes. Wickets, when I say wickets, I mean leaders falling in line behind Captain Amrinder Singh. This is amazing. What you're telling is absolute amazing. You know, nobody would have thought about it. Nobody would have ever imagined. You disgrace a senior leader, and this is what you get in return.
Absolutely. Launching a political party.
He's a veteran. He's showing his grit. He's showing, yes.
Okay, we've got the Aam Aadmi Party responding on the debate. Viewers, when it's a big political story, it's only here on Republic. And with me right now is Ahbab Singh Grewal, Punjab spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Grewal. Mr. Grewal, if this super alliance comes in, what will be the impact on the AAP?
Well, Mr. Goswami, there's going to be no impact. Let's start from history. Anglo-Sikh Wars, the Patialas were with the British. 1857, the Patialas were with the British. Jallianwala Bagh, the Patialas were with the British. 84, the Patialas were with the Congress. And now the Patialas are with whoever is in power in Delhi. Number one. Number two.
Well, I'm asking you for the political impact. You're giving a very personal comment on. You're responding very personally to Captain Amrinder. You're making it personal. Why don't you answer politically instead?
Let me answer personally, politically. 3 farmers a day have been dying in Punjab and Haryana have been committing suicides in Punjab and Haryana for the past 15 years. That's the average. 700 to 800 farmers have died over the past 1 year. That's the average. Number 3, whatever Captain Amrinder Singh has done, it has not come as a surprise to us.
But he seems to have unnerved you. Mr. Grewal, Shazia, Shazia, 1 minute. Shazia on the right. Shazia, 1 minute. Shazia, is he getting unnerved? Is he responding? He's trying to say that Captain will be a liability, not an asset. That's what he's trying to say. Shazia.
Of course he will be a liability. He is a liability already. He was a liability.
Not at all.
He will be a liability for the BJP, man. He will be. I can assure you that. Captain Amrinder Singh.
No, I think anybody who's spoken for India, and I think anybody who's spoken for India and Indian security will not be a liability, will be an asset. And I think you will be a liability. And the video of Arvind Kejriwal after the Balakot, sir, be quiet for a minute. And the video that did the rounds where Arvind Kejriwal asked for evidence of after Balakot will be a liability. Let me remind you, time and time again, when he has attacked the Indian army, so that will be a liability. When he asks for evidence, when he asks for the evidence on Balakot, that will be a huge liability, and you will get it, and you will get it as good as you try to get.
You see, it's also about okay, Abab, 1 minute, Abab. You know, this is moving very, 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 very fast. Abhishek, Mohammad Tausif Rahman is also with us. Everybody's been watching the political situation in Punjab. Vikraman is watching. We were supposed to debate another subject, but everybody's watching this. You know, Srijit Panikar, Pathikrit Pine. Fact is, BJP's moved fast. You didn't anticipate this? You didn't anticipate this. Tausif, see, they are moving fast.
It's very unfortunate.
Pardon me, you may call, it's unfortunate for you.
It's sad if
it's unfortunate for you.
First of all, it is some kind of joke.
I've lost a lot of, if this is true, I've lost a lot of respect for Captain Amrinder.
No, 1 second. Did you have respect for him when he got 41% of the vote share in 2019?
No, of course.
Did you have respect for him then? Fact is, mathematically, BJP comes together with an Amrinder who beats anti-incumbency.
How can he make a pact with the devil?
And no. Careful with words now. No, you said pact with the devil. Shazia gets a chance to respond to that. No, Pathikrit is also on. You know, don't show your frustration with the use of inappropriate language. Be elegant. Be elegant. You didn't anticipate this.
This has become a game for Bharatiya Janata Dal party.
It's a turn of
whoever fights between their party, they jump and just take them away. It is.
I can't see him on the screen, please, Anand. Thank you.
The saying, serving as a Punjab CM, you know, he never thought about his people. You know, Arnab, this is a big dhoka from
you're
Captain
skating
Amrinder
on
Singh
thin
ji,
ice
because he
because you
was
have nothing to
serving
say.
the people of Punjab as
Oh,
being
this is
a
big
Congress
dhoka.
chief minister.
The dhoka, I mean, and the
And
way
now he's coming. Now
the way
he's
he
forming
faced
his own
dhoka
party.
from the party he
no, no,
served
ma'am. He's
for
forming
the
his own
longest
party,
period,
and he's
but the
mixing
party
hands
he
with whom?
served for the
They are
longest
the
period
BJP are the
and
murderers of
took
those
to
farmers.
great
No,
heights.
nobody said a
last
condition.
one year.
Other Congress leader
Nobody
told
said a
have to
condition.
understand.
He says, provided there is a... No, Srijit, Srijit, no, 1 minute. He sets a condition. He said, provided the farmers' issue is resolved.
Veer was murdered.
No, he says, provided the farmers' issue is resolved. He says, I will tie up, provided the farmers' issue is resolved.
It is not resolved, Arnab. Again, you are lying.
So, how do you know it won't be
It is
resolved?
not resolved.
One quick
This
point
is the
that I
problem.
wanted to
BJP
come in
will
out
give
here.
0 seats in Punjab and Haryana.
Now, how do you know it won't be
even
resolved,
Amrinder
Srijit?
Singh's today.
No, but
join
you are
hands
Arnab.
with BJP.
Arnab,
They will,
Srijit.
Arnab, if I may come in.
they will get a 0 seat.
No, but you are shaken. You're shaken. You're shaken with this. You're shaken.
You know, this debate
You're
stands
shaken.
nowhere.
Abhishek is
Even
shaken. Look at him.
Even Amrinder Singh is making
Shaken.
a
Please.
party.
This is nothing
Arnab.
about
You're
doesn't make
shaken
any
with this
sense.
development. You don't know how to
BJP
react
will
to
not
this.
back off. The BJP will not withdraw the laws. The BJP won't take the laws back.
Srijit.
Captain Amrinder is
Srijit.
digging his own grave, if you ask.
One second.
This is a very-
Gentlemen, see, here is how I see it. I see it as a win-win, not just for the BJP and Mr. Amrinder Singh, but also for the farmers. See, the BJP has been trying to get their foot in Punjab after
No,
they
it is
lost
not. It
SAD.
is nothing for the
See,
farmers,
the
sir. I
SAD
don't
broke away.
believe
The
you.
SAD broke away from them
It is
on the
nothing for the
differences of
farmers.
opinion on the farmers' bill. See, so the
this is not
BJP
comedy.
might
This
be
is not
a
the last
good
one
ally
year.
like
What do you
like Mr.
expect joining
Amrinder
hands
Singh
with
will
Captain?
have a serious thought about getting into forming the government this time. So that is for advantage for BJP. The second point, Amrinder Singh, since he is not joining the BJP, he
BJP
is
is
forming an
running
independent
over
party and
farmers in
becoming an
Lakhimpur
ally
Kheri.
in NDA.
This is a
he
win-win
getting
for them.
more bargaining power
This is a
politically.
win-win for the BJP.
You will have to understand that he is actually going to get a lot of bargaining power from the BJP.
Win-win situation neither for Amrinder Singh and neither for BJP, because BJP already have lost their ground,
He may
sir.
strike a deal. Now he may
BJP
strike
has
a deal
lost their
with
ground
parties
and
like the
no
SAG.
magic
Remember,
and
the
no
only
power
difference
can
of opinion
bring
the
BJP
SAG has
to
is
seats
over
also.
the farmers.
No, 1 minute. Shazia, I know you have more information. You must share it with us
I want to
tonight.
ask a question.
Shazia, I know you have
Yes.
more information. 1 minute, Srijit.
No,
Srijit,
I-
1 minute. Changing the format of the debate to stay with the breaking story. I know, Shazia, you have more
Narendra Modi
information.
won't
Tell
get
me what's
2
in the
seats
works.
in Punjab,
Tell me
sir.
what's in the works.
Take it from me.
Thank you. What's in the works? What's happening?
No,
Give us the
I-
inside story.
like I-
from you.
No,
Thank you.
I've always had the highest respect for Captain, who I have known personally and respected and admired. What I want to say essentially is, when Samajwadi talks about tying up with whoever as per convenience, I want to remind him about how they've tied with BSP as per their convenience, and how they have, sadly, they've broken off with Buaji, and you know how Buaji and
Madam,
Bhatija
why
got
are you
together
nervous
and,
about Uttar
got
Pradesh?
off. How earlier
आज का
with
debate
Mulayam
पंजाब
Singh-
पे है ना.
No,
पंजाब
why
पे
are you
debate
not letting
करिए.
me remind you of some history? No,
Mr.
अब हाँ,
Goswami-
आप
Mr.
BJP की
Goswami
दुनिया
is
भर की
asking you
बातें कर रहे थे,
for
आप तो
insider
लखीमपुर की बात कर रहे
information.
थे, आप तो
He's
पूरी
asking us
बात-
for insider
मैं बता रही हूँ,
information.
मैं बता रही
Or
हूँ,
is
आप
that
घबरा क्यों रहे
information
हैं?
above
अब
your
मैं
pay
आपको
grade? I
इसलिए
don't
दिखा
know,
रही
but
हूँ।
if you have
No,
any
this will impact
insider
Western
information,
UP.
please दीजिए.
No, this will, don't worry
बताइए
about
ना.
pay grades. We don't think like that. No, we don't think like that. I'm not part
Arey,
of Samajwadi
Rakesh
Party.
Tikait
so
will
we
ensure you
think,
don't win
in
one
terms of
seat
pay
in Western
grades.
UP.
Don't speak.
Jayant
listen
Chaudhary
to
will
me.
ensure you don't win one seat in Western
This
UP.
impacts Western UP.
You focus on
which is what you
Punjab.
know. Yeah, so
Western
do not, it's
UP
not
गया.
just a matter of
पंजाब
Punjab,
भी
it's a
गया.
matter of
But
Haryana
ठीक है,
and
पंजाब
Western
पे बात
UP too. हाँ, तो मैं बता दूं आपको, I know my
तो
facts really
लखीमपुर
well.
खीरी में तो
I have
लखीमपुर
reported
खीरी में जो
politics
हुआ
and I've
है
been in it longer than you
लखीमपुर
have
खीरी
to
is not
think
going
of.
to impact
So
Punjab.
आप तो लखीमपुर की
Why
बात
is
कर
the
रहे हैं
union
Punjab?
MOS?
By
Why
your
is the
logic,
MOS
by your
not
logic, is it
resigning?
Punjab? No, why is it?
Why is the MOS not
Just see how you
resigning?
contradict yourself.
Madam,
Just see how you contradict
you
yourself.
opened the Pandora's
so the fact
box.
of the matter is that
You
the
opened
captain
the
has
Pandora's
considerable
box.
sway. Not just.
I am just
no, we
accepting
did
your
not.
invitation.
You are just stuck. You don't know what to do. You are gobsmacked by the way events have unfolded. You do not know. Because you tied up with BSP, then you
Do I
tied
look
up with
gobsmacked?
Congress. You don't know what on earth to do. And now Western UP.
Oh my God.
You just don't know.
You have taken
And
another
Captain
Congress
has,
reject into your
Captain
ranks.
has
That's
shown,
all you have
as
done.
he said, I have a lot of gumption. So be it. What's wrong with that? You tried to you tried to do a tie-up with
So, Jitin
Rahul Gandhi,
Prasada,
and where did that lead you?
Are you going to take
You
Kanhaiya
tried to
Kumar
get
next?
together with you
I
tried
know
to
the
tie up
BJP
with
is a party
Mayawati once,
for
and the guest
anybody who
house
wants to join,
and the guest
right?
house incident happened, and then your younger
No, you attack Amrinder Singh.
younger Diana
चार
tried his
साल
hand with
से
getting
आप अमरिंदर सिंह को
Rahul
attack कर
Gandhi.
रहे हैं। अरे 4 साल
sorry,
नहीं,
with
9 साल
Mayawati
से
ji
कर रहे
again.
हैं।
So what
9
happened?
साल से. For the last 9 years,
अरे तो क्या
you have
आपको
been
problem
attacking
है?
Amrinder
तो
Singh.
आपको क्या problem
Now
है?
he is a
अगर
man of
कैप्टन अमरिंदर
gumption.
सिंह
He is a man you
कैप्टन अमरिंदर
respect.
सिंह
Really?
अगर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को लग रहा है
Okay, we got breaking.
yes
We got breaking.
yes
We got breaking
wrong
now.
with that?
We got breaking now. We got
What's
breaking
wrong
now.
with that?
We got breaking now. A lot of people, lot of viewers tuning
No
in tonight.
morality and no
I'm sorry, but Abhishek,
Unlike people like
Abhishek,
you, we respect.
Abhishek,
and a
you
prime
know,
minister has shown great respect.
details that I'm hearing tonight. This is interesting, Amrik. One second.
You just take
May I please, with your permission, breaking on your screen, viewers. This has been the agenda of the understanding between the BJP and Captain, viewers. On your screen, party formation, we told you so. Seat sharing, solid seat sharing, Ramneek happening now. Abeyance of farm laws. So farm laws put in abeyance completely, Ramneek. That's big. Followed with massive loan waiver for all small farmers. Massive loan waiver for all small farmers. That's going to win them over.
Wow.
And there will be major steps on crop diversification, for which there will be series of financial incentives which will be announced.
Absolutely.
If this package comes through, if this package comes through,
Yes.
then farmers will be happy. The issue will be resolved. Pathikrit, everything changes then.
If we are not winning Punjab, nothing will happen for the farmers.
Arnab, if it happens and BJP comes and says that we are doing it because Captain Amrinder says it, then I just wonder, Arnab, if this happens and Captain Amrinder is given the credit, then what happens to Rakesh Tikait is something I'm wondering, and many of those supporters of Rakesh Tikait right now would just wonder what has happened. And I'm telling you, crop diversification is one of the biggest things if it happens in Punjab. It will create a new generation of reforms in farm law and farm issues, which will solve some of the major problems of Punjab, including the fact that the water level is coming down drastically and it requires to be taken care of. The other issue is Punjab being a border state is too important a state to be ignored by a national party like BJP. Mr. Tausif, I don't take you too seriously. You had your 2 bits. Please listen now. National security is too important for Punjab to be ignored. And I'll tell you what Captain Amrinder Singh has done. When Captain Amrinder Singh came, he gave land for national security guard in Amritsar. He is the one who made sure that action is taken against. Here is one man who constantly kept on saying against the Pakistanis and the entire hybrid war.
Amazing. Harcharan Bence joining us right now, and he's an advisor. Mr. Bence is an advisor to Sukhbir Singh Badal. Mr. Bence, good evening. Arnab here. Your reaction. Amrinder Singh's tweet seems to suggest to me.
Arnab, it's a bit early for us to comment on that. We'll have to see, what's the agenda he comes up with, and what are the details of that. We haven't really got all the details for me to be able to comment clearly on what it's looking like.
But may I, Mr. Bence, just ask you something? Yeah, you are an advisor to the Badals, and therefore your opinion is significant. What Captain Amrinder Singh seems to be suggesting is that there will be some package for farmers, that there will be a resolution of the farmers' issue. Now, my question to you is, Mr. Bence, if there's a resolution to the farmers' issue, can the Akali and BJP also come back?
You see, we basically, our only discord with the BJP was on the farmers' issue. So if they're able to satisfy the farmers, and we have already committed to the farmers also, that that the only reason why we broke with the BJP is the farmers.
Yeah.
So if such a thing happens, then obviously we consult everybody and we can appropriate.
That's big. So you can't. So that's the point. I was just saying, Mr. Bence, that the real sticky point between the BJP and Akali Dal is the farmers' issue. And if that issue is resolved, then there is no other major conflict is there between the BJP, between Prime Minister Amit Shah on one side and the Badals on the other.
No, as I said, Arnav, if such a thing happens, first of all, we'll welcome that. I mean, this will be a great development. It doesn't matter who brings it. I mean, if Captain Saab brings it, we'll welcome that too. But as far as the BJP Akali relationship is concerned, you know very clearly that it will be broke only on the farmers issue. So if there is a solution, then the whole issue will go back to the court, which is already due. And an appropriate decision will be taken.
So, has there been any contact with the BJP on this?
No, not yet. Not yet, because it's a bit early. Because we've been hearing a lot of things since evening. So we'll have a look at the details tomorrow.
And one more question before I let you go, Mr. Benz. Do you feel, Captain raises the issue of the security of the country, national security. Do you also have apprehensions about Sidhu, given his close proximity to the ISI, to the Pakistan establishment?
You see, as far as the Akali Dal is concerned, we are very strong on the security issue, and we want the country's security and national unity and integrity to be protected at all costs. Yes, some of the actions of Mr. Sidhu, I would say I wouldn't do those things. Therefore, I think that's that was my party's view also.
Yeah, okay. So the whole thing remains open. Mr. Benz, thank you very much. Thank you so much for joining us. There you are. Whole realignment. You see, Abhishek, Sudhir, keep waving your head. Keep shaking your head left and right. Things are changing. And, I must tell you, Abhishek, when No, don't shake your head, Tausif. When I say something, I know what I'm talking about.
Amrinder and the Akalis.
Yeah, what's wrong?
They're going to fight together.
No, if they're both for farmers and for national security, what's wrong?
Is this rainbow coalition rooted in reality, or is it the stuff of dreams?
Shiv Sena and Congress not together?
It's better than the UP.
Is Shiv Sena
Ramnik
not together?
And for all these brokers who are sitting and supporting this,
Is the Shiv Sena the
Ramnik is on the debate. Ramnik.
Why are you so surprised?
Things are not
It
changing for
appears you
India.
don't know what has hit you.
Things will not
You
be
don't
changing
know what
for
has hit
Indians.
you.
Things will not be changing for Punjabis.
This alliance is for India. This alliance is for the nation. This alliance is for Punjab. This alliance is for the progress of Punjab. This alliance is for the progress of the people of Punjab. This alliance is for Punjabians. This alliance is for Punjabians, for progress, for peace, prosperity and protection of this country. This alliance will prove as an alliance for the fun, for the progress, for peace, prosperity and protection of this country. We don't want anybody like Sidhu in the front.
Tell me first answer. Don't give me your Tom, Dick and Harry logic. You tell me what are you going to do with the Punjabis?
Tausif, you don't know what has hit you. Tausif, check your mind. You have gone insane, Tausif. You don't know what has hit you.
Have some kind of shame. Nonsense.
वक्त बताएगा आपको अभी थोड़ा पानी पियो थोड़ा होश में आओ आप बेहोश
No, I think Mr. Kuldeep,
मैं दोहराता हूं and repeat. This is for the progress, peace, prosperity and protection of Punjab.
No, it appears to me, Srijit and Kamru, it appears to me, Srijit and Kamru, that some people are really worried about a possible resolution to the farmers' issue, which, no, it appears tonight that they are looking at it this way, Srijit, that if the farmers' issue gets resolved, then how are they going to gherao the national capital region? How are they going to carry out lynchings? How are they going to support the Khalistanis? Srijit is on. Srijit.
The main point.
Kamru and Srijit, yeah.
No. Don't bringing all those Khalistanis debate and all these things in this national television debate.
Are Khalistanis not being supported by those?
It is a major national security issue. It is a major national security issue. Why should it not be brought?
Khalistan is a national security issue. You should not be bringing out here when there is a opportunistic alliance being formed in Punjab. A person who has been discarded by the electorate of Punjab, not once, twice. He got a life. He got a life because of the Congress party.
Which is a border state, is far more important than anything else. And if it is for that, the BJP takes, holds hand of Captain Amrinder Singh. There is nothing like that.
Kuldeep Singh Vaid, Congress leader from Punjab, is joining us now. Mr. Vaid. Okay, dropped him on the line.
What I'm actually has fought in this panel. The development of the state of Punjab, that the Congress party has promised to deliver and it will deliver. Don't bring in out all those faltu debates of nationalism out here on
You said faltu debate on nationalism? You called... No. One second. Shazia, did you hear that? Shazia, did you hear that? The congressman says nationalism is faltu.
See, I'm so shocked.
He said nationalism is faltu.
Exactly.
That's what he says.
Faltu. That says stand on faltu. That's
the line of the Vadra Congress.
This is the
pseudo-nationalism.
Which is why every nationalist person should leave Congress and
okay, Kuldeep Singh Baid. Kuldeep Singh Baid is on the phone line with us. Congress MLA and Congress leader from Punjab. Mr. Baid, things are moving fast. It appears the farmers' issue will be resolved. And then there's going to be a tie-up between Captain and BJP, and even the Akalis are not ruling out the possibility of joining hands. Mr. Vaid. Mr. Vaid.
I tell you, if this farmers issue is resolved, there won't be any effect on the BJP and on Captain Amarinder Singh. It's very clear by the Punjabis because BJP has lost the ground, even Captain Amarinder Singh has lost the ground. So in case these farm laws are back, there won't be any effect on the Congress and on the other parties in Punjab. Punjab is very clear, Punjabis are very clear.
Yeah, and who's leading you right now, Sidhu or Channi? Because Channi just has challenged Sidhu.
Absolutely wrong thing. Both are our leaders. In 2022, both leaders, of course we are going to win the election, definitely, because Sardar Navjot Singh Sidhu is our president and Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi is chief minister. So there is no issue at all.
But Sidhu's connections to the ISI, to the Pakistani establishment, his closeness to the Pakistanis is a matter of national concern.
Absolutely
rubbish things about Didn't you see the pictures? Didn't you see the pictures?
Which pictures?
In Pakistan. Hugging Bajwa.
Everybody, even Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to
Shazia is on the debate. Shazia with Mr. Vaid.
What are you talking? Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to Pakistan. He had dinner with, he had accepted dawat of Prime Minister of Pakistan.
Don't compare the Prime Minister of the country with MLAs. At the jurisdiction of a Prime Minister and where it comes to foreign policy and diplomacy, do not compare it with an MLA. I think it's hilarious. I think you have to learn the basic constitution. I think even a class 5th or 6th student would have a better idea of what the constitution says about kind of a government we have and what the structure is. So do not compare the Prime Minister's role in formulating the foreign policy and that of an MLA like Sidhu. No, I will not listen, sir, because you need to learn the very basics.
Let me know what is the foreign policy. Is there any written thing that one MLA is going to Pakistan? He's not meeting any dignitary over there. What is the constitution? Have you read the constitution?
Absolutely not. He had no business going and hugging the ISI chief. What are you saying?
I tell you,
and he comes back and says, and Captain said you did a wrong thing. He says, my captain is Rahul Gandhi. That's what he said. Sir, I think
you show me the protocol. Arnab, ask him to show the protocol. Ask him to show the protocol where an MLA can go and hug the chief of the army staff of the Pakistani army.
Absolutely right. If I'm MLA, if I'm going to meet
Mr. Vaid,
why don't you listen?
Chief of the army staff of the Pakistani army.
There is nothing in the constitution. There is nothing in the protocol. If one is going to meet anybody, he is liberty.
You have absolutely no idea what you are talking about. You are trying to defend Navjot Singh Sidhu and you are becoming an anti-national in doing so. You are becoming an anti-national in doing so, Mr. Vaid. What are you talking about?
What is the protocol? Going and
hugging the chief of the army staff of Pakistan. Show me a constitutional protocol. He went against his chief minister. It is on record.
I'm retired IAS officer. Served 20 for 30 years.
and elected as an MLA. What are you talking about the constitution? What are you talking about other things? You don't understand the protocol.
Mr. Vaid, you have zero knowledge about constitution. What do you know? Can a minister go against the wish of his chief minister?
I am, listen, I'm law graduate also. I'm an IAS officer also. What are you telling me?
Sorry, but
Mr. Vaid, Ramnik and Shazia, if I may. Mr. Vaid, can I speak to you, please? First of all, Mr. Vaid, I need to make a couple of points. You're a politician.
You've lost the plot.
Okay, Ramnik. You see, BJP, Amrinder Singh. Now, if Akalis also come, and the breakaway Akali groups also come. So, breakaway Akali groups, Akali, captain with a substantial part of the Congress, and BJP. If this group comes together, purely in terms of, I'm not saying national security or others, purely in terms of numbers, it's a formidable group, Mr. Vaid, and as a politician, you must be a realist. You must understand.
I know about all these
That's
things.
all. I'm just saying.
I understand also.
You can't take the group lightly.
They are delusioned.
Hello?
You can't take the group lightly. Why, Mr. Vaid, I'll tell you. Because with the Aam Aadmi Party also coming in significantly. If it's a three-way battle, AAP versus Congress of Navjot Sidhu, and then this big alliance.
Anybody, any other party, there won't be no fact, I tell you. Even before, the BJP and Akali, they were in power from 2017 to 17. Then what happened in 17?
What happened in 19? What happened in 19? What was the vote share? What was the vote share? What was the vote share under captain?
You just see.
What was the vote share under captain? No, Mr. Vaid. Mr. Vaid, listen. No, Joe, one second. Mr. Vaid, 1 minute. Mr. Vaid, a small one line. The Congress was wiped out nationally. The only state where the Congress did well, phenomenally well, with a 40.61% vote share was Punjab under captain. Under captain, not under Sidhu.
Listen.
No, I'm listening, but you listen now.
The situation is entirely different. Under the leadership of Honorable Charanjit Singh Chani, we are going to definitely win the elections of 2022, I tell you. The scenario of Punjab has been changed now.
Ramnik.
And who will become the chief minister? And who will become the chief minister? Sir, you are so shocked you don't even know what you're saying.
Yeah, you don't understand. Why you are shouting? Why you are crying?
Yeah,
why
that's
you are
what
crying?
happens.
Let me
So
know.
what are you electing the MLAs for? What are you electing the MLAs for? I stand.
Why you are crying?
I'm not crying, sir. I stand vindicated. Arnab, I stand vindicated. He has no knowledge about the constitution.
Okay, question here. Abhishek comes in.
He is a part of the high command culture.
Abhishek comes in. The farm debt. 1 minute. Facts of the ground. The farm debt weight on the farmers of Punjab is 71,305 crore rupees. Now, just consider this. If there is a loan waiver, a minute please, Cap. No, I'm sure you want good for the farmers. If there is a loan waiver promise of 71,000 crore rupees of debt. No, if there is a loan waiver promise of 71,000 crore rupees of debt, which farmer will not support it? Which farmer won't? Abhishek, come on.
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Farmers who were
India.
Even the 4 farmers who
they are not in Punjab,
their lives are not worth 71,000 crores.
What is the problem, Arnab?
4.5 years. Why didn't he?
If the farm loan waivers are given, then you should not support it.
Two on the screen, please.
They have demeaned the farmers. They have denigrated the farmers. The farmers will never forgive the BJP.
The point here, Abhishek, the point here is, one, the BJP has already offered to put the farm laws in abeyance for a period of 18 months. The Supreme Court Committee has also recommended this. One. Combined with that, if the lawn
Sir, abeyance does not matter. Rakesh Tikait is going to give the BJP sleepless nights. Rakesh Tikait is giving the BJP sleepless nights. He wants a full withdrawal. Abeyance is not acceptable.
I'm not saying that all the protesting farmers will be happy.
Abeyance is not acceptable. Withdraw the laws.
But the genuine farmers will be
Withdraw
happy.
the laws.
And Amarinder Singh today already is the single person with the maximum political clout.
Who genuine farmers? Who are you to decide who are genuine farmers?
Are
you a farmer?
That will only
Are you a farmer?
And
have you farmed anything in your life?
We know he's a nationalist. He's a staunch nationalist, which was evidenced by his recent support to the centre over the reforms in Jallianwala Bagh, about his comments on Imran Khan, about his comments on the meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. So remember, we are talking about someone who was given a front row seat in Imran Khan's swearing-in ceremony. So there definitely is a conflict of interest.
The people of Punjab he has done a great service to the people of Punjab. The people of Punjab must have been very happy with Amarinder Singh. They must have been very happy with Amarinder Singh. Why did he lose the support of the MLAs? Why did he lose the support of the MLAs?
Chief Minister of Punjab.
Why did he lose the support of the MLAs?
He is having more clout than Amarinder Singh.
Answer my question.
He is more popular than Amarinder Singh.
Answer my question.
Come on.
Why did he lose the confidence of the MLAs?
Okay, if there's make one point. Ramnik is on and Kamru is on. 1 minute. If there is legal backing, 1 minute. If there is legal backing for MSP, for example, I'm just saying, if farm loan waiver 71,000 crores goes, I'm not saying it will. If there's legal backing for MSP, and if there is major work on crop diversification in a state like Punjab, where paddy and wheat grow around 63 lakh hectares, so you understand it's going to be so beneficial for farmers. Why are you looking sad, Kamru? I'm saying things which will be very good for farmers. You're looking all downcast. Why? Why you are wanting to benefit at their cost?
They look so downcast and sad because
nothing to be downcast.
You want to rise.
I am just amused at the hyper enthusiasm of my dear brother Ramnik ji out here. When an opportunistic alliance has come into being in Punjab, and they are seeing through the back door they can capture Punjab
so you
and
forget
his people.
Maharashtra?
This is not done.
Have you forgotten
Captain
Maharashtra?
Is a
Have you
force in
forgotten the
Punjab. He has already lost in Punjab earlier.
Have you forgotten the rally conducted by Mamata Banerjee in
have you forgotten that Akali said kick you out?
Yes, on the debate last point.
Akali said kick you out.
10:51.
Have you forgotten that? Have you forgotten that Punjab captain had lost even his security deposit when he formed his own political party earlier? Have you forgotten that? Now the Bharatiya Janata Party wants to capture power at any cost.
I know you look at Punjab for the BJP, you must have lots more information.
My dear friend, in these times, no, I want to tell you, sir, with all,
just to get into power in Punjab.
With all respect, with all due respect, I would like to tell you, sir, the times today and Punjab being a border state, do you know what has just happened? All of you, in fact, questioned the centre's move to allocate land to the BSF, which was just 15 kilometers in Punjab to 50.
Some charity to the
Do you know how much people resent something like that? Do you realize what it matters? No, do you realize what times you are living in?
You know what, we Indians are just...
whether they're in Punjab or anywhere else, not just about farm laws.
We are getting a charity from Narendra Modi. We are getting bhik from Narendra Modi. We are not getting policies. There is no scheme for us.
It's fun breaking the news.
तो हमें ये मिलेगा. Though I am the Prime Minister of India.
And ladies and gentlemen, closing the debate this evening. Closing the debate this evening. It's been an exciting show. We had to change the run order actually for the show this evening because of the breaking news, but that's what it's all about. A great day in the newsroom is when the news makes you follow its very scent. And remember, viewers, you heard it first here. Talk of the Super Alliance in Punjab, first here on Republic. See you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.